Hello people, this is Moscarblog, and in today's video I will show you why this is the best and coolest Ferrari ever made. We've got a naturally aspirated V12. This is a Ferrari F12 Berlinetta by AutotopNL. This is their car. We've got a beautiful car called Rosso Berlinetta, which is a $20,000 Euro paint option. This is not a normal red, look, it's like a little bit of cherry. We've got 740 horsepower in this and all rear wheel drive. We've got the ceramic brake stock, Scuderia emblems, beautifully made. We've got these beautiful exhausts here, this beautiful back with the F1 taillight and those 4 exhausts. Looks really beautiful. Now look at this, we've got this beautiful brown leather by Ferrari. We've got it's beautifully made, it's got super good quality. We've got the carbon steering wheel, we've got this black contrast here. This car is good equipped. We've got the passenger display, the carbon here, the LEDs here, and it's really comfortable to sit in. We've got these beautiful paddles by Ferrari, which you have to pull up to engage the gear in. We've got this for the reverse gear, this is for automatic, and this is for the launch control. And like this, we open the windows. We have race, sport, and wet motors, and we have the ESC completely off. These are, by the way, your indicators. They are on the steering wheel in this Ferrari. And we've got a 6.3 liter beautifully naturally aspirated V12 in this. This is the key, by the way. Do you see it? This is the beautiful key, by the way. And I think you want to see the engine. It's got this beautiful brown leather here. We've got it, it's super nice. We've got these cool seats with the Ferrari emblem on it. We've got the Alcantara roof lining. We've got a massive V12 in this car. This is what makes it so cool. It's a naturally aspirated V12. I will show you the sound now. We will do a little sound check of it. This car sounds absolutely astonishing. You hear it now in the sound check, and now you will hear a flyby on the racetrack. This car really is an absolute masterpiece and an absolute dream. This and the 812 Superfast are probably the coolest Ferraris out there, because they both have a V12 at the front and rear wheel drive. So you really gotta be careful driving these. As always people, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more POVs like that, for more reviews. Leave a comment, leave a like. This was Moscarblog, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye people.